Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went in there? Or opened your laptop to start something important and ended up doing 3 other things instead? Many adults with ADHD struggle with something called working memory. Working memory is what helps you hold information in your mind long enough to use it. It's the reason most people can follow multi-step instructions, remember what they were just about to do, or stay on track in the middle of a task. But with ADHD, working memory doesn't always work reliably. This can look like forgetting what someone just said, losing track of what you were doing, missing steps in a process, or needing to reread instructions over and over again and over time. This can start to feel like carelessness, or even worse, like a lack of intelligence. But the truth is, working memory challenges are neurological, not personal. This is why many adults with ADHD do better when they externalize information. That means writing things down, using visual checklists, leaving reminders in visible places, or breaking tasks into single-step actions, because when information is outside your mind, your brain doesn't have to work as hard to hold on to it. You're not forgetful because you don't care. Your brain may just need support holding information in place. And when you use tools that support your working memory, everyday tasks can become more manageable. You are not broken. Your brain may just need a different system. Do you ever forget why you walked into a room or lose track of what you were doing mid-task? Let me know in the comments. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this was helpful, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD for support and productivity tools for adults 50+.